A person holding a rifle, mass of the person and rifle together is 100 kg. Assume this is one of the platform. On this platform, one person is standing and is holding a rifle. Okay. The weight of the rifle and the person, the whole it becomes 100 kg. Total is 100 kg. Okay. Stands on the smooth surface and the fires 10 shots horizontally in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds, he shot 10 shots horizontally. That means the bullet will go in this direction horizontal. Okay. Each bullet has a mass of 10 grams. Okay, each bullet, mass of the bullet is equal to 10 grams. Later we can convert this in terms of kg. That is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Fine. At the mass muzzle velocity is 800 meters per second. The final velocity acquired by the person and the average force exerted by on the person or we need to find here. So we know that here the mass of the bullet that is then let us first calculate the recoil velocity of the rifle and a man just offering the fire. That is F exit, force at exit is equal to 0. We can write that one as MB into VB plus MS into VS is equal to 0. Okay. Then this B is represent the bullet and this is the man. Then we can write this one as MB is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of 3 minus 3 into velocity is 800 plus mass of the man and the rifle is 100 into velocity we don't know, which is equal to 0. Then Vs is equal to, we get the value 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 800 divided by 100. Where this is get cancel 100, this 10 to the power of minus 3 will comes to the denominator. Then we can write this one as 10 into 800 divided by 100 into 1000. Then 2 zeros and 1 0 get cancelled. 8 to the power of 100 is nothing but that is minus 0.08 meters per second. Since this recoil velocity is very small as compared to the velocity of the bullet, velocity of the bullet is 800 and this recoil velocity is minus 0.08 meters per second. It is very small. So practically purpose we can consider the intermediate duration of a firing of a recoils. Then we can write this one as N into MB into VB plus MS into VS is equal to 0. Then we can substitute the values. Vs is equal to minus 10 into 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 times 800 divided by 100. This 10 to the power of minus 3 will come to the denominator. Minus 10 into 10 into 800 divided by 100 into 10 power of 3 is about the 1000. Then 2 zeros 2 0, 1 0 1 0 and one more 0 it is get cancelled. 8 divided by 10 is nothing but we can take it as minus 0.8 meters per second. Okay. Then we can find the delta P. Delta P is equal to 100 into 0.8, which is nothing but 80. From the average, that is F average is equal to delta P divided by delta T, that is equal to 80 divided by 5. We get the answer 16 Newton. Okay. Then we got the answer minus 0. Then we can say the option A is our right answer.